We are a community interest company, a non-for-profit enterprise which is going to be working with asylum seekers and refugees from across the city of Cardiff. We're going to be growing salad here in the ground, loads of different varieties of salad leaves, different colours, flowers, edible flowers, and we're going to be delivering those by bicycle to the restaurants across the city. People will join in with the growing of the salad, learning how to tend the plants, how to harvest them, and generally how to look after the salad plants. So lots of horticultural skills. We'll also be in small groups of 5 to 7 people, including myself and Fisher, and we'll be talking, practicing people's language skills, talking to them about their experiences of Cardiff, how they're getting on. People will get to meet other people and to sort of learn to interact with their wider community.
When I start going there, putting my hand in the soil, and I felt more like home. The connection into the earth made me feel more comfortable and about myself and others that are part of the community. And that's when I start going to Riverside constantly, and then I spoke to her about how it could help others, about well-being, that some people are isolated and lonely, that this will bring a lot of people to be connected to the earth and feel good about themselves. What I got out of it was confident, feeling part of the community. I felt happier, I'm not lonely anymore, I'm not isolated anymore. I felt very proud of myself that I'm giving something back to the community. So I'm hoping everybody else will feel that way.
It's really fantastic that we've got this greenhouse here in Butte Park, because people can access it really easily, especially for having volunteers from the asylum seeker and refugee community where transport is often an issue. People can walk to the park, people can also cycle to the park, and a lot of our project is about promoting well-being in people, and just walking through the beautiful park to get here will already be enhancing their well-being. And then to come and be involved in a horticultural enterprise is going to be a really relaxing and sociable activity, which we hope will build people's confidence and also bring a sense of community